Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub. And today we're going to discuss Alibaba and the trade triangles. Recently the trade triangles exited our long-term trade in Alibaba that I've been discussing and tracking all year in the video updates that I regularly do. And I thought this would be an excellent opportunity to show you overall results using the two main MarketClub strategies and discuss exactly how they work so you can follow along. So we'll start out with our Alibaba chart here in our portfolio manager. As you can see, I've actually opened it up to 1 year, so the date range goes from 12/7/2016 to current today, 12/7/2017. And currently you can see we have a chart analysis score -90 with red trade triangles across the board for Alibaba. And we're going to go ahead and start with our long-term strategy, which involves the monthly trade triangles only. They determine your entries and your exits for long-term trading. So as you can see, our initial entry point was on February 22nd at 104.57. Now we would have picked this up a couple ways. One, you could have had it in your portfolio, had a trade triangle alert set, and you would have been emailed and alerted as soon as this trade triangle appeared on the chart. Or as you've seen me discuss in other videos and if you've talked to me on the phone, we found it in the trade triangle scan the day that it triggered. So that was our buy point at 104.57. And we held it all the way up until 12/5 2 days ago, where we exited the trade at 166.79 with a profit of $62.22 per share on that trade. Now keep in mind, this is the long-term strategy, so it's really you buy it on the entry and you're gonna sell it on the red monthly. So we buy on a green monthly here and you sell on the red monthly there. Now the second option is to use probably the most popular trading strategy that we have in MarketClub, and that is the monthly weekly strategy, where your monthlies provide your initial entry point and the weeklies will be your exits and re-entries. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit more active, so you really have to ask yourself, are you more of a long-term trader or an intermediate term trader? Do you want to be more active, or are you just willing to buy and hold something until you get the exit? But as you can see here, in the long term, we had one trade this year, whereas for the intermediate term, we've actually had 5 trades. And we start with the initial entry point again on February 22nd at 104.57. And we held that until 5/18, where we exited at 114.02, profiting $9.65 on that action. Now there you've out, but we still have the green monthly. So we're going to wait for our next re-entry, which comes on 6/8 at 126.40. So you would buy to go long, and you would hold that all the way up until August 11th at 149.10, where you sold that position and entered a sidelines mode, profiting $22.70 on that trade. And as the trade goes along, got about 6 days later a re-entry at 160.39 on 8/17. And we held that until 9/26, where we sold at 167, again profiting $6.61. Hold it for a re-entry right here at 10/9 at 180.87, and you'd sell it at 172.57 on 10/25. Now that did give us a first loss of the year, losing $8.30. And we'll go ahead and open this chart up a little bit more to 3 months as we kind of get up into kind of that crowded space up there. And then we had a re-entry on 10/31 at 184.70. And finally, the last exit of the trade at 176.73 on 11/29. Again, another loss at $7.97. However, overall on the monthly, weekly, intermediate term strategy, we had a profit of $22.69. So overall, still making money on Alibaba. And then the final monthly came in where the trade's over, so we're out completely on the sidelines waiting for our next set of trade triangles to get in. Below this video are the written rules for how to do it, as well as some charts to show you. If you have any questions, please ask me below. I'll be more than glad to get back to you. With that, every success.